If you have a website, SaaS tool, mobile application, AdMob apps, and lots more, you can bear me witness that one of the things that will help you grow that particular business is when you have traffic and users coming onto your mobile application and also on your website. Okay, and most people pay money for this traffic via Facebook advertisement, Google ad, and lots more. But some of you don't have money to spend on paid ad. But right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you this particular one platform where you can actually launch your product, mobile application, website, SaaS tools, and lots more, and gain organic users and traffic for your business. All right, so if this is what you want, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also have a lot of leads where you can actually promote your blog, website, your mobile application, your AdMob app, your SaaS tools, and a lot more to lots of people. But most of this platform works well for a specific niche. All right, I want you to reply me your niche down below so I can actually recommend the best platform that work well in your own niche. All right, so for general niche, this particular platform right here is going to simply help you a whole lot. So if you're ready for this, let's head into it right away. All right, if you come to this very platform, you're going to see a lot of products, a lot of websites, tools, applications being launched every single day, and most of these applications right here are being launched by normal individuals and not big firm or companies. All right, on this very dish, you're going to see a lot of products, SaaS tools, website applications that are being launched on this very section. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see lots of them right here, and each of them has one thing in common: their website URL or their app URL. Okay, so for instance, if you click on this one right here that says Yappa leaderboard, so you're going to see the screenshot of that particular tool, the description of that particular tool, what it does, the reviews, alternative, and lot more. Okay, you're going to see every single details about that particular platform. All you need to do is simply add your link on this very section right here. I can actually go ahead and click on this. This is the platform Yappa leaderboard. Okay, so the crazy part is that I didn't search for it on Google, I didn't search for it on Bing, I didn't search for it on social media. I just decided to come over to a popular platform where people explore lots of tools, websites, SaaS tools, mobile applications, and lots more. Okay, that are being launched. Most of them are gonna be free. Okay, and I can actually go ahead and test it out. Okay, and the best part is that whether you are new or old on this platform, when you launch your product, automatically your product is going to simply appear as the newly launched product or application or website on this very website. Okay, so having known how this particular platform works, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually submit your own website, your application, your tool, your mobile app on this very platform. And then after that, I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually register your account on this platform. Don't skip this video so that you not miss the important part of the video. So for you to get started on this very platform, click on this submit button. Just click on this launch a product section right here. Okay, so remember, even if your website is monetized with Astra, if you're monetized with AdSense, you can also use this strategy to get more users to whatever thing you want to promote. Okay, so what you need to do is simply come over to this section right here, add the name of the platform you want to promote. Okay, so if you want to upload your application, you can actually add your download link, then click on the get started button. So automatically they're going to simply fetch every single details about that particular stuff you are already added. Okay, all right, so automatically they're going to simply bring out everything about your own tool or your product. Okay, all right, so what you need to do is simply look out for the way other people are actually promoting their own. Okay, they just use their normal name. All right, so you don't have to start doing SEO stuff right here. Okay, so just come over to this very section right here. Let's say the name is padded vibes only. Then you have to simply add the tagline. Okay, can actually copy this tagline right here, then fall back to this very section, then add it here. But I have to remove this dash. All right, your own tagline might be different, okay, based on what you are promoting. Okay, so once you have that in place, the next thing to do is to actually add the link. The link is already added here, padded vibes. Okay, once you add that, the next thing to do is to add your description. Okay, so based on what it has already gotten from your own website or your product. Okay, you can show automatically it has already given us a description. You can add tag from this very section. Let's say I want to add education as a tag, I want to add marketing as a tag, then I want to add SaaS as a tag. You can only add 3 tags. Okay, so the next thing is to actually add your comments. Write the first comment. I can actually go ahead and click on this next to add images. Okay, so click on the next button, then we're going to be adding some thumbnail. Automatically they're going to simply bring out your website, your app logo, your product logo, anything you want to promote. Okay, add it right here. Can actually add another one. Okay, Okay, so I have 3 different images already on this very section. Click on this next maker. Okay, so they're gonna ask you whether you work on this particular launch. Okay, so I'm gonna simply tell them yes, I worked on this launch. All right. Okay, so you can add shout out, but it's not really necessary. You know, click on this next button. I'm gonna simply ask you if this particular tool is free to use or a paid version. Okay, so you're gonna simply select whether free, paid, or free trial. Okay, so I'm gonna be selecting free because the platform is free and a lot of that. Okay, then click on the next button, select launch date. Okay, click on the schedule date. Okay, so this is going to simply go live in 24 hours. All right, then click on send. All right, you can see right here scheduled successfully, and this is going to simply go live tomorrow in 24 hours. Okay, and from this very session you can share your link to social media, you can share it to any platform, and the best part is that people are going to simply start seeing whatever thing you are doing on your website, and people are going to simply bookmarking it and also commenting, and this is one of the best way to actually promote whatever thing you want to promote. And the best part is that this particular website gets a lot of people from the Taiwan countries visiting every single day. Go ahead and use this particular opportunity right now to get it done for yourself. Okay, it is very much necessary. Okay, so go through this, then click on the close button, and you are all set to go. Okay, you can see right here this has been pre-launched to go live. You can see, and if you click on it, this is going to simply take you to the page. Okay, you can see this is going to simply go live in few hours from now. Okay, and these are the stuff you can actually share it to your social media and actually go ahead and visit it. If you click on it, okay, you can show right here, this is the product right here. Automatically this is going to simply be on this very section. You can see the launch date is here, every single details are all here, the website URL is also here. Okay, so from here people are going to simply visit our website. You can see the full details, every other stuff. You can see the website URL visit section right here, and they're also celebrating us that we've already launched our website on Product Hunt. The website's name is Product Hunt. All right, so this is the website, and this is basically how you can actually register your account. You can see right here every single details has been added on this registration right here, and we have all our details, and we have the first comment added right here 3 minutes ago. Okay, so if you click on this registration right here, automatically this is going to simply take you to Product Vibes, and the referrer is Product Hunt from this registration. Okay, so how do you now get started on this platform? So for you to get started, what you need to do is simply click on this section that says sign up right here. Simply sign up your account with either LinkedIn, GitHub, your Google, your X, your Google account, Facebook, or Apple. Okay, go ahead and sign up your account, log into your account, then click on the submit button like we've already done right now in this very video. Okay, and the best part is that if you want to actually boost your product, your traffic, your users, your application users, your installs, you can click on the advertise section right here, and this is going to simply help you run paid advertising on this video website. Okay, but the one I showed you is free. You can use that and get organic users, very much free to use. All right, so this is basically how this particular one right here works, and you can actually use this strategy to get this done for yourself. Okay, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel for more updates. Okay.